Hello, Holy One. Hello, hello. One moment for you. So you are here having this experiential space of yourself as a human being. And as that human being, you are experiencing the reflection of your own energy in the life and in the world around you. There's the individual, you, your beliefs, your personality traits, your behaviors, your decisions, your choices, your actions, your feelings. And then there's the collectives of families, friends, work, groups. And then there's the collective of the entire human species. And each space is a vibrational run of energy based on all of the energy waves within that space. So as you be your individualized you are also emanating outward into the whole, the collective, the one you, in all of its various spaces of existence. This is a glimpse of unity consciousness. A point I always have to add in on with the unity consciousness is the knowing that unity consciousness doesn't mean we all think the same thing and believe the same way. Unity consciousness is the understanding of the many beliefs, the many spaces of understanding, all being within the one. Be your vibe, be your vibration, your frequency, your understanding of yourself that is ever expanding and ever changing, and be it your way. Your way is unique, Holy One, and your way is valued. Blessings upon